L-immigranti irregolari għandu jkollhom id-dritt li jażlu huma liema pajjiż għandu jipproċessalhom l-applikazzjoni tal-ażil. Dan ħareġ minn rapport li kien imħejji mill-Kumitat Ekonomiku u Soċjali Ewropew. F'konferenza tal-aħbarijiet il-President ta' dan il-Kumitat Henry Malos qal li għandu jkun hemm politika komuni fl-Unjoni Ewropea fejn il-ħajja tal-bniedem tkun stmata b'mod dinjitus.
First of all, the first concrete measure, of course, is to help when these people arrive, to help to push the other countries like France, Germany, Netherlands, Belgium to accept some of the migrants. They should not be stuck here in Malta.
Malos saħaq li l-Unjoni Ewropea għandha tiffoka iktar fuq il-ħolqien tal-impjiegi u investiment kif ukoll li jkun hemm politika komuni għall-enerġija. Hawn tkellem mod pożittiv dwar il-programm ta' ċittadinanza b'investiment.
For small economy, islands economy, it's an opportunity to attract people who have money, and I think why not? I think I'm nothing against that. It's your decision, and I don't see why the European Commission should have any prevention against that.
Malos kellu wkoll kliem ta' tifħir għal inizjattivi li l-Gvern qed jagħmel bħal childcare centers u inċentivi biex in-nisa jerġgħu jitlu fid-dinja tax-xogħol.
I think it's excellent because I think in all our economy we have to include all the population. The women is an example where in the society where the women are traditionally out of the labor market, this is of course a deficit in our economy.